we are again. It's raining lightly, clouds are still moving. People are still out and about. It's not that bad as far as we've had a little wind, we've had a little rain. You can see the speed of the clouds is picking up. There have been some tornadoes near here that are spinning off of the bands from the hurricane. But really, so far we've been lucky. As you can see, we've had a little rain. Those of you not familiar, our street here is made of crushed seashells. That's why it's white. Right here. It's a little darker back there. That's where the bands are coming from right now. Now, those of you worried about the storm surge, we're in what's called Zone D. And the zones here are based on how far the storm surge would have to get to you for flooding. Where we are, Zone D, you need basically 35 feet of surge. We're technically about 15 feet above sea level, but because of the distance on top of the height, that's why it's 35 feet. If you look down there through the courtyard, if you go straight, you'll hit the Gulf of Mexico in about 3.5 blocks. Now it's all downhill, thank God, which means the water has to come up. But here's the irony of it. Just past those houses is where Zone D starts. You look through the trees there. Right at the edge of those trees is a parking lot. That line is Zone E. And where you see that little concrete barrier up there, let me go close here. Right up there in the middle where that bush is, that is the non-evacuation zone. Meaning that is so high that the storm surge won't get there. So we have a way to get out if we need to. We can just walk up there and we'll be fine. Wind's picking up. There's our fruit tree, our 6th fruit tree. You can see some of the fruit there. We were going to pick it yesterday, but it's just not ripe, and they'll fall. They'll just go down to the ground and splat, and they'll be fine. Rain's picking up a little bit. We have grapefruits, oranges, tangerines, lemons, limes, and some other kind of grapefruit. I think it's a regular grapefruit and a ruby red. So there's 6 different kinds of citrus fruits on that tree. But right now we're just getting some rain. It's a little heavier than the mist than when I first came out of here. So I'm going to sign off. I will try to continue updating periodically. We still have power as of now, thank God. Knock on wood. So just keep checking back, hit the subscribe button, and I'll update as much as I can as long as we have power. The worst of the storm should move in here about 2 hours from now, or start to move in, and then the worst of it will be between 7 o'clock tonight, which is about 7 hours from now, and 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. So if you have a moment, spare a thought for us, say a prayer, and let's hope we stay Florida strong. Just in the 5 minutes since I finished the last part of this video, the rain's really started to pick up. You can see it here coming off my neighbor's roof there. Heavy band of rains come in. And we are now officially under a tornado watch until 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. With the heavy bands of the hurricane moving through, because the wind is moving so fast, sometimes it will spin off like curlicues of tornadoes. So we're going to be alert for that. We have our safe room ready. We have lots of pillows and all kinds of good stuff in there to hang out with, and we'll be okay. But I thought I'd just update you with the way it's changed in just the 5 minutes